Any idea on how many people get diagnosed with cancer each year? Any guesses?
A lot.
A lot. Many.
An amount.
3 million.
3 million.
The answer is
800,000.
12.7 million people discover they have cancer and 7.6 million people pass away from the disease. What's sad is that, however, evidence show that up to 30 to 40% of these diseases can be prevented, and 1/3 can be cured through early diagnosis and treatment. It's tough having anybody around you going through a hard time, but what's tough is you would want to help them, but you don't know how to behave, what to say. I know exactly how it feels because someone really close to me got diagnosed and it was hard, but I was proud of what she had become, which was a strong and confident woman knowing her worth. Cancer has been on my mom's side family for years and generations. It does scare me and makes me a bit uneasy that I might get diagnosed one day. But after seeing her, it has given me so much peace. I know it happens to teach us some lessons we wouldn't know otherwise. So someone really close to you gets diagnosed, gets sick, what do? You cannot help them financially, that's for sure. And what do? If you're too young, you can't ignore it and pretend it's not happening. So are there things to make them comfortable? Sure there are. First we have to broach the subject, mention it for the first time. It's not going to be easy, but choose a comfortable way for you. And if you're really close to the person, you would know how comfortable they are with you. And when you're talking about the disease or you're talking about how sick he is, you can be a bit supportive in trust and you can show some concern. Can express encouragement and offer support. So conversation starters are always nerve-wracking. Because of this, you might say something wrong and they might get hurt. So these are some that worked out for me. I'm not sure what to say, but I want you to know I can. Please let me know how can I help. If you would like to talk about it, I'm here. I'm sorry to hear that you're doing this and you're going through this. The changes and difficulties people with cancer experience are not only emotionally, of course, but they're physically, it's tough for them too. So help them with little things, even if it's lending them a glass of water, helping them make some tea, making food for them, and even if you help them with finding a comfortable position. Respecting their decision about how the cancer will be treated or what is the best route to go even if you disagree. Respecting the decision is really important and you don't have to judge them throughout this way. Expect the person with cancer to have good days, bad days, emotionally, physically. Don't judge them. And we all make mistakes, of course. So here are some tips on what not to do. Offer advice they don't ask for. Be judgmental. These are basics, but some of us are really mean. Don't tell them what's right and wrong unless they ask you. Taking things too personally. It's normal for the person with cancer to be quieter. I feel like this happens a lot when the person who is going through a lot and was really close to you before it and was really outgoing, but after he got sick, he started to be quieter. He started to get angry on little things. But it happens, but the frustration is not about you, but it's about the fact that what he's going through. I have discovered that there is no solution. There's no solution but to be there for them and giving them the love they deserve. And even if you're not close to the person, some cute gestures can never go wrong. So even if it is giving them a bouquet of flowers, bringing them a card, giving them a hug, they'll always be appreciative. Every cancer story is different, and through my experience, I have made some mistake that had hurt somebody, and I cannot take it back. So I'm here. I wanted to try is to help others. One thing I've definitely learned is how to appreciate life and how valuable each person is who walks into your life. Tough situation makes us tougher and stronger. And if we remain soft inside and keep breaking, it's not going to work out. So we can love others and give them what they need, but we can truly know what life means. Thank you.